Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to be talking to you about Mini Tool Movie Maker, a free and easy to use video editing software for Windows. This software is perfect for beginners and professionals who want to create stunning videos effortlessly. We will be covering everything from importing video to adding effects and exporting your final masterpiece. So let's get started. The download link is available in the video description, so after installation launch this. You will see the interface like this. Mini Tool Movie Maker has a built-in library of transitions, effects, elements and music. Simply click on the corresponding tab in the top menu. To import media into Mini Tool Movie Maker, click on the Import Media Files button. You can import videos, images and audio files. Once you have imported your media, you can start editing your video by dragging and dropping the clips onto the timeline. You can trim clips, split them and rearrange them in any order you like. On the right side of the interface, you will find some basic editing tools. You can adjust contrast, brightness and saturation to fine-tune your footage. You can also rotate the video and undo and redo any step, and you can delete any unwanted part. You can trim the beginning or end of a clip or split it into multiple segments for precise editing. To add transitions between your video clips, simply drag and drop a transition from the library onto the timeline between two clips. Mini Tool Movie Maker has a wide variety of transitions to choose from, including fades, wipes, and dissolves. So simply drag and drop a transition between two clips on the timeline and the software takes care of the rest. And it's important to see how your video is coming together. You can play and view your video at any point to make sure everything looks just the way you want it. Now let's take your video to the next level. Mini Tool Movie Maker offers a variety of creative options. You can add effects to enhance your video. To add effects to your video clips, drag and drop an effect from the library onto the timeline above a clip. Mini Tool Movie Maker has a wide variety of effects to choose from, including color filter, distortion effect and motion effects. To add text to your video, click on the text button in the top menu. You can then enter your text and customize its appearance. And to add motion to your video clips, click on the motion button in the top menu. You can then choose from a variety of motion effects. And if you want to speed up or slow down part of your video, Mini Tool Movie Maker makes it easy. Just select the clip and adjust the speed to your liking. It's perfect for time-lapse or slow motion effects. And to set the mood of your video, you can add background music from Mini Tool Movie Maker's library. They have a variety of tracks to choose from. Just select a music, drag it to the audio track and adjust the volume to fit your video. And if you are looking for a quick way to give your video a professional look, check out Mini Tool Movie Maker's movie templates. You can choose from different styles and apply them to your video with a single click. And finally, when you are satisfied with your creation, it's time to export your video. Choose your export settings such as resolution and format, including MP4, AVI and MOV, and hit the export button. And now you are ready to share it with the world. An in-depth look at Mini Tool Movie Maker. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned video editor, this software has everything you need to create impressive videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.